Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you my newish concealer routine. I follow the Wayne Goss technique from a few years ago. I finally have found a routine that works for me where my concealer is not dry, cakey, and it's good for dry skin and dry under eyes. So if you want to see how I do it, let's get into it. I was having problems with my concealer creasing and getting dry and cakey. I'm almost 30 and I don't know, my skin has just decided to up and change on me. My eyes first, as you can see. So what I do is I moisturize my face. Like I do I'm super dry. Let's just get that out of the way. So I kind of like almost triple moisturize. I don't know what is up, especially right now during like winter, springish, whatever season we are in, because the area that I live in is just crazy weather. Cold, warm, cold, warm. It's just, if you live in the DMV area, you know what I'm talking about. So I moisturize again. I put it under my eyes. Especially right here I get dry, but like definitely in the front is the worst. I was so sick of my concealer just looking really heavy and cakey, which has never happened to me before, but I guess, you know, getting older. So anyway, I let that sit. I've been using the Milani Skin Quench Hydrating Primer. I guess you can use kind of like any primer depending on your skin type, but this has been working. So anyway, and then just blend it in. Be careful with your under eyes because that's really thin skin and it's delicate. So I use my ring finger, just pat it a little bit. And then my nose has been exceptionally dry. Like, I don't know, it's so weird. And then my chin gets dry too. Okay, so foundation on. I've been loving this Flower Beauty corrector in light peach. It comes in 3 different shades, but I've been loving it. It's just so good. It's not super heavy, and I was having some bad under eyes, as you guys can see, like before. So just like a little bit. Also, I've been using less concealer, which is also helping a lot because it's not looking as heavy because I'm not using as much product. I really like the Ilia Beauty concealer. It has good coverage, and I just use a boop, 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 boop. A little bit goes a long way. This is just not heavy compared to other concealers I've used. And you can blend it out with your finger, use a sponge. It's moisturizing and also provides good coverage. I was using the e.l.f. one for the longest time and had no issues with it. The hydrating one, I can't use the regular one. The regular one, oh my god, it was drying. It was just terrible, but it just has been really drying every time I use it. Like I can tell a difference. Maybe it's too much coverage. I don't know. That one goes a little bit, goes a really long way. But look how nice it looks. Like it looks natural, but doesn't look heavy. And then I always set my concealer too. That's just me. You don't have to, but if I don't, I mean, it doesn't matter what concealer I use, it always creases. Always. I have little fine lines. So I guess if you have perfect skin and don't have fine lines, you know, like you're like 18 or something. I didn't use concealer when I was 18, but you don't have to, but I do have like right there, it'll crease. I've really been liking the Charlotte Tilbury press powder. Press powder has just been working for me a little better than loose powder, honestly. I don't know why, and then I use the Lunar Beauty double-sided brush. I really like it. I use this side for bronzer, this side for setting. Also, I've been setting from outer to inner. I don't know. And then I put the brush also like this instead of like, I don't know. I just press it in differently. And I've been using also like less powder, even though, again, I crease. So kind of go both ways. And this is what has been working for me. Sometimes you gotta switch up your routine a little bit. It's just looking really heavy and dry and cakey. And I'm like, ew, I don't really like that look. But I just wanted to show you guys just in case you guys are having the same issues as I am. And again, it looks really nice. Before I set it. So let me know what you guys have been loving. Any concealer recommendations? Anything you want me to review? Any videos you want me to do? Please let me know. I'm going to do a cruelty-free beginner series. I know not everybody knows a lot about cruelty-free beauty and cruelty-free products.